Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these apple crumble bars. Let's begin. To get started on today's recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your oats followed by your flour, salt, raisin agent and ground cinnamon, and mix everything together until it's fully incorporated. Mixing it all just until it's fully incorporated, then setting aside. Into another smaller bowl you'll want to add your butter followed by light brown sugar and the vanilla, and then heat this in the microwave until it's melted. So I like to do it in 20-second bursts, stirring constantly. So once it's melted, give it a good whisk together until it fully comes together so the sugar is dissolved. You can then go ahead and take this mixture and add it directly into your dry ingredients. Get as much of it in there as possible. Give the mixture a good stir together, as you want to make sure all of the dry ingredients are fully incorporated in that liquid mixture. Then you can go ahead and take around 2/3 of the mixture or 3/4 of the mixture and place that, and that will be the base of the apple crumble bars. You're not looking to use more than that. You may not look like you've got enough, but don't worry, once you start to spread and level it out, you have more than enough. So just get it as smooth and level as you possibly can, and then you'll want to bake this off for around 10 to 15 minutes in the oven until it starts to go golden around the edge. Then into the centre you can add in your applesauce. I've added some cinnamon into mine as mine is homemade, but you feel free to use a jar if that's what you've got. Then take the remainder of your crumble topping and just sprinkle it all over the top, ensuring good coverage. Then place back into the oven and bake off until for around 15 to 20 minutes, give or take, until the applesauce is bubbling. So once they're baked, you can then go ahead and start to slice them up, allowing them to cool first, of course. I went with 8 portions for these, but feel free to cut them into 9 if you wanted to. 8 rectangular portions, 9 square portions, that's what you get. And here's what they look like. You've got that base, that applesauce and the crumble topping. Trust me, it works really well and these will be really popular. So make them and share them with your friends and family right now. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. I'll have a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.